Hey everyone, it's Jana Verbakel Leach, Realtor in London, Ontario. Thanks so much for watching my latest listing video at 760 Leroy Ave. What I love about this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is that it's an all-brick, 1-floor ranch. It's got a great open floor plan and it's been updated throughout, so there's really nothing to do except move in. It's not just the inside of this house that's beautiful. Leroy Ave is a quiet, tree-lined street with hardly any traffic. The lot is large and private. So come and take a look, I know you're gonna love it. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those below and contact me if you'd like to arrange a private viewing of this stunning home. Thanks for watching.